Hey everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you the best data storage where you can save your data more than 50 GB as free. So this is very important video for everyone. So before we begin, please support us by clicking that subscribe button and turning on those bell notifications. So let's get started. So I'm in near my mobile. So first of all I will go in my Play Store and then I will download here Mega. You can see here Mega, and then first of all I will install this app, and it's installing. So this very useful app, you can see Drive gives us 15 GB free and Cloud 2 GB and other um, but this app will give you more than 50 GB and you can access by anywhere. You can log in website and download from there directly also, and you can directly upload also. So I'm going to show you with this full guide. So let this install application. So I'm opening this application. So first of all we will create an account. So I'm creating one account. So for I'm keeping here. I will take here both and then create account. Okay, sorry, password not matched. So now it's creating account, and then I will now it has sent me email one. You can see here email verification is required. I will verify my email by this method, and I will check my password, and then this is updating file list. So here you can see here 50 GB is storage which is limited and absolutely free. So I will click on this, and for two-factor authentication I will skip for now, and I will skip this also, and I will skip this also. And now you can see the interface of Mega app, and you can see here plus sign, but by here I will allow this one from device and recent app, and for plus we can upload any file. So I'm uploading one file to show you. So now you can see it's uploading one file, and you can see here the settings and how much you have free. You have almost 65 GB free, and it is absolutely free, and you can access anywhere. You not if you don't have mobile, then you can directly go to website and log in from there and download it from there which you have uploaded. So you can see here, and if you want to take camera on, then it will show here, and you can even you chat in this app, inviting to the people, and then you can share the folder also. And in this way you can download this app and perform easily and save your data and keep safely. So today for this much. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.